Vinay, a white rabbit, dashes through the forest, a blur of energy. He stops abruptly, spotting Amma, the tortoise, inching along the path. Vinay chuckles, watching Amma's slow progress. Squirrels, birds, and deer observe from afar, their eyes fixed on the pair. Vinay teases Amma, boasting, "I could take a nap and still win a race against you." Amma responds with a calm smile, challenging, "Let's have a race then, to test your claim." The surrounding animals react with surprise and excitement, their chatter filling the air. Forest animals gather at the starting line, their eyes gleaming with anticipation. A wise old owl hoots, signaling the start of the race. Vinay explodes off the line, a blur of motion. Amma struggles to gain momentum, falling behind as Vinay vanishes into the dense foliage. Exhausted, Vinay seeks refuge under a tree, succumbing to sleep, his snores echoing softly through the forest. Sunlight filters through the leaves, painting the forest floor with shifting patterns of light and shadow. Amma advances steadily, his resolve unwavering as he navigates the silent forest. Unseen, he passes the sleeping Vinay, his focus solely on the path ahead. The sounds of nature surround him, yet Amma remains centered, his gaze fixed on the distant finish line. Amma crosses the finish line, the assembled animals erupting in cheers at his unexpected victory. Vinay wakes up, startled, just as Amma crosses the line. Vinay's face registers shock and disbelief at the sight. Amma stands humbly as the animals congratulate him. Vinay approaches, looking sheepish. The sun sets, casting a warm glow over the forest. Amma speaks softly. "Consistent effort is what truly matters."